In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Elementor for WordPress. This plugin is a powerful tool that can transform the way you design and build websites in WordPress, offering a drag-and-drop interface that simplifies the process without requiring any coding knowledge. Whether you're a novice or an experienced web designer, Elementor is a fantastic tool to have in your arsenal. So, let's dive into the process of downloading and installing Elementor on your WordPress site. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is typically done by entering your website URL followed by wp-admin in your browser's address bar. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard page. From here, locate the menu on the left-hand side. You're going to scroll down until you find the Plugins option. Hover over this, and you'll see two options. Click on Add New. Now, you'll be taken to a page filled with different plugins that you can install. At the top of this page, there's a search bar. Go ahead and type in Elementor. Press Enter, and you'll see Elementor Page Builder listed among the search results. There might be several plugins listed, but you'll want to make sure you are selecting the correct one, usually the first one listed with millions of active installations. The one you're looking for is simply called Elementor Page Builder, and is created by Elementor.com. Once you've spotted the right plugin, click on the Install Now button. This process might take a moment, so be patient as the plugin is downloaded and installed onto your site. After the installation is complete, the Install Now button will be replaced with one that says Activate. Go ahead and click on this button. Activation is an important step because it allows you to start using Elementor right away. With the plugin activated, you will notice a new Elementor tab has appeared in the left-hand sidebar of your WordPress dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Elementor. At this point, you can start creating and editing pages using Elementor's intuitive interface. To do this, you can navigate to any page or create a new one, and you'll see a blue button marked Edit with Elementor. Clicking this button will launch Elementor's drag-and-drop editor, giving you the freedom to build your website exactly as you envision it. As a quick tip, take some time to explore the various widgets and templates available within Elementor. These features can streamline your design process and help you create a visually appealing and functional website without diving deep into HTML or CSS. And that's it. You're now ready to start building stunning pages effortlessly with Elementor. Have fun exploring the endless possibilities this plugin offers for your WordPress site.